Down.
I'm just getting sprayed with mud back here. Visor's going down.
Second dual vlog, my friend.
If it turns into a vlog.
There's Co-op boy. You alright, Co-op boy?
Fucking co-op lad, mate.
Do we go right now? We'll go left.
Yeah, what, do you not want to go on the, what's it called?
Stay! Oi, oi! Oi!
Like a dog, I see you! Yeah, do you not want to go left here and go around this?
It's a bit... yeah... We'll come back that way, we'll come back that way.
8.
Hey! My dude.
Out here on the classics. I've seen like a 600 R6, an R125 CVF. I've seen everything on the way here.
Nice sounding or not?
The Yamaha was like probably more modified than ours, but the others were like standard, really.
The bike show is pretty good today actually, there's some nice bikes. The 400 at the bike show, Kawasaki, looked really nice. And they had a race version of it, and it was like Moto 3 version almost, with like that sort of fairing on it. It looked really good.
The thing I was thinking is one of my current likings to a bike is the KTM RC390.
Right, I didn't see that. I didn't bother going to KTM. The only one I saw was a Super Duke at the Race Fit stand. No, Austin Racing, it might have been Austin Racing, and I was having a look at those, and I was filming it, and then they started the Panigale S,
right,
Ducati, and I missed out on it.
Oh, got it. You didn't do any recording there, did you?
I was at the Kawasaki stand at the time, and then they set that turn on the Kawasaki at the insurance place.
I came across a KTM RC125 the other day.
They're quick, you know.
But that was like probably one of the first times I've actually seen one on the road. But it was like a proper, like, no L plates or anything on it. It was like a proper, like, I'd say like 40-50 year old riding it. Like this red car is slow, man. I mean, I was waiting to overtake him. There was bare cards on the other side.
They had like superbike races and motocross races, and they had like 85s in the middle of like the thing, and they were going round. It's pretty good, and the guy with the broken ankle that broke it 2 weeks ago came first.
Oh damn.
That's what I mean, it was crazy.
Legend. Get that knee down.
If you go down there, if you go down there, there's some really nice motocross tracks.
Why did we never go there on the mini bikes?
Because it's like overgrown, and also it's part of the Polish gypsy camp. Otherwise you get nommed by a dog.
I've seen a lot about the track near me, like the little one we take our mini bikes on. It gets used so much now, and the summer is going to be lit, I think.
Yeah, we'll have to go there again. Have to arrange it.
Yeah, we still got to arrange this HCAP ride before we say goodbye to Poppy.
I like the fact that you have your L plate on the front. It's really nice.
I mean, I only did it because throughout all the like cold then heat, then cold then heat, my L plate up here, because it was meant to be just a stick-on one, like it warped. I was like, fuck, it's basically coming off anyway, so just stick it down there.
Yeah. I like this road. Come down there in the Mini, it's quite good. Oh, I can't wait. Something's slapping, man. What's this? Is it my hoodie?
Can I what?
Oh, it's my hoodie strap. I thought my camera thing came out. Camera lead.
I got my hoodie in my bag in case it got cold, but it doesn't look too bad.
I'm so excited to do this ZXR now. I can't wait.
I can't wait for you to change it.
A2. Oh,
to make it not look like what it looks like now.
that A2 is going to set me back though. 500 quid. At least my bike was cheap, eh?
Or you just stay on the YZF and take your L plates off.
Yeah.
And it's not going to be very sharp
Oh fuck!
behind this guy.
Pigeon almost took you out. Look, he's going to land on me. See that?
That was not sharp.
I
I
was
saw the
following
pigeon,
the pigeon.
yeah, he fucking
The pigeon was hitting 30.
almost kamikaze your ass.
Checking out the park, of course, you little pedo.
Huh?
You checking out the park, you little pedo.
Oh, yes. Oi, oi.
Oi, Lambo. Oh. Unintentional slow race. Oh my god, your dash is falling off, I swear.
Huh?
Your dash.
Nah, it's fine.
We could continue.
Oi. This is a sick road, but I feel bad because I'm pretty sure it's a small, like, village.
I'm pretty sure now the #1 cause of death in the UK is by Prius.
By Prius.
Yeah. They might be saving the environment, but they're fucking bikers up.
Oh, he's gonna run you over.
I'm fully about to get run over.
You're about to get run over. It's just they're gonna tap you and then you gotta fall over like a football player.
I'll just, like, explode as soon as they hit me.
Yeah. Bang. Is that racist? Are you being racist?
No. Maybe.
Lucky I can't see it. That Ford Fiesta looks sick. Did you see that?
No?
Oh, I want to see if we can catch up with that. That looked awesome.
Nah.
Come on, there's no cars. I would. Oh wait, I can flash my lights. Which one is it? Oh, E.
Shit, did not expect that corner.
Fucking hell. I did not like that. The roads are awful. Catching. I'm coming up on your right. I'm coming up. Oh, whoa, that's a load of shit. Oh, I got a stiff neck. Oh, 9. That was quite fun. I hit 75 really quick then.
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't look.
Yeah. Oh, your dash probably fell off, hasn't it?
Huh?
I said your dash has probably fallen off, hasn't it?
Yeah, I ain't got none. I ain't got no speed.
You know the little bike that we have?
Yeah.
And they're really, really rare. And they had 2 of them there for sale at an auction.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. And apparently it's rare because they only have the, I can't remember if it's left or right mirror. And they don't come with another one. But yeah, they only come with 1 mirror. And like, it's really rare to have 2, and both of the bikes had 2, and that's what my dad used to have when he used to ride it. So it's like the Grom of back then, and I think Yamaha did one as well, not only Suzuki, but it's like a little version of the, I think it was a GSXR 750, I'm not sure, it might be 1000, but it's quite old. Oh my god, I wish I recorded what I saw today, right? So there's these 2 young lads on, like, well, I say young, they're probably a bit older, but one was on an MT and the other one was on a Triumph, and they were like rolling all over the place and things like that.
Yeah.
And then a guy on like a It was like a Goldwing. It wasn't a Goldwing, but it was slightly smaller. But it was that sort of like chunky bike, you know, like American style.
Yeah.
And there was a tight corner, you know, like on motorways where it swoops all the way around and continues. This one did that and then continued left, so it went like swooped all the way around, almost back on yourself. Bear in mind, sorry, excuse me. Bear in mind it's wet, well damp at the time, yeah. He was literally going 60 around this corner. I'm not shitting you. We were clocking him.
What? And he beat the MT?
Yeah, he went up the inside for them because they were a bit dodgy on it. They were like, oh, I don't trust it, because it was such a harsh corner. Like, I would have shit my pants. I would have probably fallen off. And literally, he was just like this, getting his like boxes down, because obviously he can't get his knee down. It's quite a chunky bike.
It reminds me of from what you're explaining it as the video of like all the race bikes racing around the canyon, and then there's like a Harley scraping his exhaust.
Yeah, that's what it's like. That's what it's like with the two exhausts at the back, at the bottom. And it was going around this corner, and honestly, me and Dad were getting ready because he was going to fall off, I swear. Right. Wow. Wow. See ya. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, hope it's enough footage. It's a bit of fun before it gets dark. But anyway, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a bit.